In this video, I'll show you how to add a checkbox to a document in Docusign using a simple and practical workflow that most users can follow. After logging in, upload your document or choose a template, then move to the editing screen where all field options are available. From the toolbar, select the checkbox field and drag it to the desired location on your document. This is especially useful for confirmations, approvals, or selecting options within forms. Make sure to assign the checkbox to the correct recipient so it functions properly during signing. Docusign makes the process intuitive, but incorrect placement or assignment can cause confusion. You can also adjust size or duplicate checkboxes for multiple options if needed. You may also group checkboxes to allow only one selection when required. It's a good idea to preview everything before sending to ensure clarity. Overall, it's a quick feature that improves document interaction. Subscribe for more honest, practical tech tutorials that help you work smarter and avoid mistakes.